I created Help for Others after spending years taking care of my grandmother who had dementia. During that time, I spent countless hours around nursing homes and saw firsthand how many elderly people, struggling families, veterans, homeless individuals, and others were facing financial hardship. I realized that many people didn't just need a handout, they needed an opportunity. That realization became the inspiration behind Help for Others. Help for Others was created to help people build recurring residual income while creating opportunities to help people in need. The goal isn't simply to provide temporary assistance. The goal is to help people build long-term financial stability while creating a community that continues helping others as it grows. One of the things that makes Help for Others different is how the company handles people who find the website on their own. Whether someone finds Help for Others through Google, social media, company advertising, or another marketing source, the company doesn't keep those registrations. Instead, they're directed to the featured members page and assigned to the next qualifying affiliate. Most affiliate companies keep those registrations for themselves. Help for Others gives those opportunities back to its members because the company's success is built on helping its affiliates succeed. The featured members system is also designed to give everyone a fair opportunity. Members begin on the first featured members page. After reaching a combined total of 10 active Tier 1 and Tier 2 members, they move to the second featured members page. This rotating system allows new qualifying members to receive company-generated registrations instead of the same people remaining at the top indefinitely. As your organization continues to grow, you'll work toward what's called the Race to 20. Once you reach a combined total of 20 active Tier 1 and Tier 2 members, you've completed the Race to 20 and unlock one sponsored member through Help for Others. When you unlock a sponsored member, Help for Others matches your recurring monthly income for that individual. For example, if you're earning $600 per month, your sponsored member also receives $600 per month. They also receive their own affiliate account and personal referral link so they can begin building their own recurring income and eventually create opportunities for others as well. The compensation plan is designed to reward consistent growth. 4 active members generate $120 per month, which can cover the $100 monthly membership with money left over. 20 active Tier 1 and Tier 2 members generate $600 per month under the current compensation plan. Members who eventually reach $1,000 per month in recurring residual income unlock additional educational resources that teach them how to build multiple streams of income through carefully selected companies with established reputations. Help for Others is more than another affiliate company. It's a platform built to create opportunities. As the community continues to grow, so does our ability to help more families, veterans, elderly individuals, homeless individuals, and others facing financial hardship. Whether it's helping someone afford food, housing, medications, medical expenses, or giving them an opportunity to build recurring income, the mission will always remain the same: create lasting opportunities that can change lives for generations.